Are you getting this critical error 228 in Escape from Tarkov, where it says items moving move can't move item? Super annoying, right? You try to drag something in your stash or backpack and boom, the game throws an error. Don't worry, in this video, I'm going to show you all the working fixes, from quick tricks to advanced methods. Stick with me till the end, because the last fix is the one most players don't know about, but it actually works 99% of the time. Fix 1, the quick desync reset. First, let's start with the fastest solution. This error usually happens because your game client and Tarkov servers are out of sync. All you need to do is log out to the main menu, wait 10 seconds, and log back in. This forces a fresh sync with the server, and in many cases, the item just magically appears where it should. Fix 2, the cache purge. Now, if that didn't work, it's time to clean up Tarkov's cache. Go to your game folder, then open C, Battlestate Games, Escape from Tarkov, Cache. Delete everything inside. When you restart the launcher, it will rebuild clean cache files. This removes corrupted stash data that often causes error 228. Fix 3, slow your moves, avoid spam clicking. Another sneaky cause, moving items too quickly. Tarkov servers are, let's just say, not the fastest. If you drag and drop gear super fast, the server can't keep up and throws error 228. So move one item at a time, give it a second, and then move the next. Trust me, this tiny change fixes the problem for a lot of players. Fix 4, the container trick. Still stuck? Try this trick. Instead of moving the item directly into your stash, move it into another container first, like a backpack, rig, or weapon case. From there, move it again to your stash. This bypasses the direct stash conflict and often lets the item through. Fix 5, integrity check. Okay, if nothing works so far, it's time to check your game files. Open the Battlestate Games launcher, click on your game, hit integrity check. This will scan and repair any corrupted files that might be causing stash and inventory errors. Fix 6, the last resort, support reset. And finally, if you're still seeing the error every time you move items, it's probably a server-side corruption with your account. In that case, go to Tarkov's support page and submit a ticket. Attach your screenshot and describe the issue. They can manually reset your inventory from the back end. Yes, it takes some time, but this is the guaranteed permanent fix. Outro. So that's every working solution for error 228 in Escape from Tarkov. If one fix didn't solve it, make sure you try all of them in order, because in most cases, a simple resync or cache clear is enough. Which fix worked for you? Drop it in the comments, because your answer might save another player's stash. And if this video helped, smash that like button, subscribe for more Tarkov fixes, and I'll see you in the next raid. Stay safe out there.